So I've been using Bose headsets for like 20 years, and I decided to finally get a really nice model, the latest model of the QuietComfort headsets. And so I bought it, and they're really nice. They're really like real comfortable and everything else. And then I let Valerie try them on.
Well, so what happened was they showed up and he let me put them on, and I immediately got out my phone and I ordered my own pair because I couldn't let him have them. They were so comfortable. And like Mark said, we've been using these for like 20 years. We never fly without them, but they're so lightweight and comfortable, I had to get my own. So let's see what's inside the box, and then Mark's going to show you how they work because he actually tried them on our last flight. All right.
They were very nice.
They're very nice. So we have 2 different colors here. They come in 5 colors. Mark's is called Desert Gold, and it's black, and it's got this kind of nice gold on it. Right, so these are Driftwood Sand. They come in 5 different colors. Here they are. So you can tell they have a nice case that matches. Oh. So here they are. Look how nice they are.
Well, they are kind of cute. I like mine, though.
Oh, no. Well, we got to make sure they're different. Otherwise, we get confused.
When I first tried to put them back in the case, I couldn't figure it out. And they have a little picture. Valerie pointed this out. They have a little picture how to do it, and I needed it to be able to do it. You actually have to collapse these things and then fit them in, and then they fit in just right, but you got to do it exactly.
But what's nice about this is it actually has little cups, shows you how to do it, because my other case doesn't have that, and it is hard to fold them in. All right, and then it comes with different cords. So this is a USB-C charging cord, USB-C to USB-C for the charging. And then this is the, what is this thing called?
Well, it's a headphone jack.
This is a traditional headphone jack, so if you want to plug it into like your stereo or your gaming system.
Well, actually, no, it's even better is it's made to plug into the back of the seat of an airplane.
Well, that too, if you need to do that. It's also got the latest Bluetooth. So we noticed lately when we've been flying that some of the newer airplanes actually can use Bluetooth from the entertainment, so you can connect to it. The other good thing about these is they have really good battery life. They last up to 30 hours and a little less than that if you're using the immersive features. Why don't you show us how they work?
Okay, so
You got to try them already.
yeah, across the country. We flew to Nashville, and I tried them out. Now, I got to tell you, I don't even bother with a case when I fly. I just put these in my backpack. They fit so nice, and you put them on. So I'm going to put them on and talk you through what's going on. So at times I may talk loud, and Valerie will correct me. So the first thing to keep in mind here, I'll show you here, is there's a button at the bottom that shows a little Bluetooth symbol. That's also the on-off switch. And then there's another button which is for mode, and I'm going to explain the mode in a minute. Depends how many times you press it, how long what the mode is. And then it's USB-C connector, and then see they got the port here for the hooking up if you want to use the
headphone jack. Yeah.
Headphone jack. And of course they do have a microphone in them. But the neat thing is that when you turn them on and everything else, if you put them on, then they kind of go on. If you take them off, they'll shut off, at least in the standby mode. You can actually press the Bluetooth button a long time, it'll shut it off. So I'm going to put them on. Press the button. Okay. Tells me the battery level.
He's already louder, isn't he?
I'm already louder. I'll try talking softer. So the really cool thing on this thing is the app. So right now I'm in the Bose app, and you just pair the headsets to the Bose app on your phone. It's real easy. And the first thing it shows you is it says, oh, these are the Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 HP. And it says the battery's 80%. They definitely lie. That is, I had it 100% when we left the hotel in Nashville, and it took all day to get it back home, and it's only down to 80%. So, and then I've got a song on here, right? But now if I want to click on this, it brings up the control panel for the headset. And now this is great just for setting up. Once you're using it, you know how to use these buttons here. You shouldn't have to open that back up. But it shows you the source because you compare it to multiple things. The immersive audio is kind of cool. I'm going to show that in a second, but basically there's off. What off means is the sound sounds like it's coming from the headset. If you say still or motion, it sounds like it's coming from speakers in front of you. Like you're sitting in the living room, got the speakers in front of you, that's the sound. And then still is cool because it's as if you're sitting on the couch and you turn your head, the sound will still sound like it's coming from this direction unless you take too long, in which case it'll move the speaker sound to the front. So it's really kind of cool for this kind of environment where we're sitting here. And then motion says, hey, there's speakers up front, but keep the speakers in front of me. So you're hearing the sound coming from in front of you. So that tells you what immersive audio is. And then there's noise control. So you can turn it on and off here. And there's equalizers. You can actually adjust the sound levels and bass or treble, right? So you can kind of make the adjustment or reset them. I actually tried the different modes. I liked it in the standard mode. And then they actually have tips, which is a kind of a handy feature. It tells you how to use your headset. Then they have a thing called modes. And this is the important part of this. And if you look on my screen and you set these up, so you go in here, they have a whole bunch of predefined modes, and you can select which one you really want. So the ones I have here are quiet. A quiet means I want to sit around, I don't want to hear anything like I'm doing right now. And then there's aware, and when I change it to aware in about 2 seconds, it'll make it so I can hear real easy. And I bet you my voice probably changed when he did that.
Yeah, you're not as loud.
Yeah, so it takes 2 or 3 seconds before it actually kicks in. So now I can hear myself speaking, and I can hear Valerie speaking, and I'm not hopefully talking too loud for you. And then there's what's called cinema. So cinema is kind of cool because it does the immersive, and it really sounds rich. I wish you could hear what's going on. And you can make adjustments to it as well. It's got noise canceling on. I have it in still mode. So remember what I said was, if I'm looking forward at the speakers, I turn my head, the sound stays here unless I wait too long, then they move. So that's kind of the deal, how that works. Now, what's really kind of cool, and I'm on quiet now, is if you watch the screen, I can take this side button over here, and if I press it and hold for a second, let it go, it tells me in the headset that it's on aware, and you see the screen changed, and now my voice is better again because I can hear everything. So when I was flying, for example, I would cycle through this because I usually do this, go to cinema, and then when I'm flying, I use it. But if the flight attendant is trying to talk, trust me, you cannot hear, right?
No.
What did she have to do?
She had to tap you on the shoulder.
Even then, I don't think I paid attention, but that's another story. And so now you can cycle through. So I'm back on quiet, and you notice I don't have the immersion starred, so it doesn't cycle to that. So now I'm in the quiet mode, and when I want, I can press it and do it. Now, I'm going to put this on aware so that I'm not screaming here. But what's really cool is you'll notice I've got a song down here, and if I press the button on the side just once, it'll start playing. And I can hear that song, and it sounds fantastic, right? I can do the head motion and everything else. And if I press the button 2 times, you see it changes it to the next song. If I press it 3 times, it brings me back to the beginning. 3 times again, the previous song. So you can totally control this from the headset. It's really, really handy.
That's really neat. I can't wait to try it myself.
And I think is the thing that kind of got you was when you tried them on, these ear cups are fantastic.
It's so comfortable. And like I said, we've been using these for a long time, and they're pretty comfortable, but these are really next level comfortable.
They're pretty cool. And, oh, by the way, I didn't mention, you can also change the volume here.
Yeah.
And on the bottom of this thing here is a little slider that you just rub your finger over, and it changes the volume. Let's see, let's do it. Let's see, watch it. See the volume changing on the phone? See it? I don't know if you can see the slider or not. So you can just do that, change the sound levels. So it's pretty neat how it works. Everything is on the headset. Once you've got it set up, you're golden.
Yeah, once you've got it set up in the Bose app, you can just listen to music however you normally listen to music, or watch the video, and you don't need to use the Bose app. So these are the Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd generation. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.